Hi guys, with another video. This is the 2009 Prius, Toyota Prius. We're gonna change the oil. Of course, before you changing the oil, you have to make sure that what kind of oil you're gonna use. As you see here on this cap, you can see that an API and SAE 5W30. This is for this car, Prius 2009 Toyota. Also, we're gonna use this tools jack, and we're gonna raise this part of the car, front of the car, and other tools are here. As you see, so many tools, but we're gonna use a couple of them. And okay, we will take it the filter. This is the filter. We're gonna use this tool. This is the wrench for this filter. Of course, this is the tool that we're gonna dump all the oil inside of this pan, oil pan, and oil as you see. Yeah, all the tools are here, what you see, and we're gonna use it. Here, there's one hole here, the other hole here, two holes. With this jack, you have to bring that and bring it down in this hole, and just you have to raise it. Okay, hold it. I have to. It's right there. Stronger part is here. While you're raising the car, just jack. It should be there. Just raise it. The car, and you far, and you take care of yourself first. And also when we're gonna use this, that gonna go on top of this. Yeah, so what we did, we put the jack right there. So we raised the front, this side, but we didn't find the place that stand where I'm gonna put. But what I did, underneath the tire, I put the rock. Then I put the other rocks behind that tire. Then other side tire also has two rocks there, concrete. So this way is safety. I said this is safety way. I can figure out that's even a screw from the oil pan. So, well, if I find that standing where is it gonna go, that's gonna be better. But this way also is safely way you can drain the oil. Yeah, you're gonna use this 14 millimeter socket, and right there, right there, that just don't right there. See, as you see, right there, I'm gonna open it, and after that, oil is gonna drain in this oil pan. Let me hold on. Yeah, you open this cap, and after that, go underneath, and 14 millimeter socket, and then left, you have to turn it this on your left, which means this way. You turn it, see, okay, juicy part, it's coming up. Okay, let me do with my hands. Get ready. 1, 2. Rachi! Oh, what is that? Oh, it's gone. Right here. Shit. Juicy part. It's here, as I told you guys. Wait. Oh, look. It's emptying all the oil now. Oh, this is delicious. Oh, I'm gonna make a barbecue now. this is the filter that we're gonna take it out. Yeah, with this wrench, you just put here, and that's it. Left side, turn it, and then after that, it comes out. Yeah, whenever. Okay. Oh, Chine. Oh, Chine. Shit. Make sure that every oil inside of this pan came out, and wait little bit, maybe 5-10 minutes, just leaking a little bit, but it's almost done. After that, just you put this back to that hole, and after that you put the new filter right there. Then put all the oil, 3/4 oil, put it, and after that check it, is it okay or not, and you have to check the level of the oil with the stick. There's a stick, of course, you know that. So yeah, now I'm gonna put this, and after that oil filter, and pour out the oil 3/4 and check the level of the oil, and after that, yeah, that's it. Yeah, first put this screw, whatever you're calling, just turn it to the right side. This time you're gonna turn it this right side. Okay, let me see. With the hand. All right, let me see. Okay, now with my hand, just turn it right way. So not the left way. Do you just opening? Right way? Do you just tightening? Okay. And what are you gonna do? Not too tight, not too loose, and just tight it very. Okay, just a little bit more. That's it. Before you put the filter, just get the old oil little bit with your finger and put around this place. Not too much, little bit. All right. Then go ahead and put the right where you took it out. Oh. Little bit oil here, side, right there. Other filter, it didn't work out because they give the wrong one. So this is the exactly right one. So be careful that when buy the filter, check it out. The filter that should be the exactly the same. Yeah, tight with your hand, little more. Then after that, you use this tool right there. You know, this is the tool. Let me get the wrench. Okay, now tight the. Okay, just little, not too much. Quarter way was right there, and I just don't tight so much. We're putting this white one, that we're gonna put the oil. After that we're gonna start the engine, and we will check the oil, and then if it's leaking, then you have to tight the filter and that screw, that the pan screw, and yeah, you're gonna tight it. You have to make everything sure that it's working very well. 3/4 oil you're gonna put it. You just count 1, 2, 3. And after that, we're gonna check it out. How much inside? How much is made? Oh, I have to open. Let's see how we can go like this. Mucho. That's fantastic. Time to time, just check it out that where we reached it. See, now still 1/4. We need the 3. You don't need the rush, just be patient and slowly and surely. You don't need to rush and make mistakes. So second and third is coming. Okay, so now let's check it out. The stick, there is a stick here, and just pull it and see where is it. Right there. See? It's over. Yeah. I'll wait a little while and I will check one more time. Let me check it how much I put it. Bro. 1, 2. Needs to be 3, but I closed this cap, and after that you have to start the engine and check out that any leak is there, any leak underneath the car. Let's go, let me go and let's see. So as you see, nothing on top of this white thing, and there is no leaking, and which means you are safe to drive this car and no leak, any oil leak. And yeah, thank you for watching, and see you soon with another video.